Now, at first glance, what do these look like? They do look like AirPods, but these are called Mijiaer, or is it Mijiaer?
I unbox and review some earbuds from Mijiaer. Let's see how good they really are. Mijiaer.
The specs works up to 10 meters apart. Standby time is 72 hours. Music and talking time through your phone is about 2 hours. Charging takes only 1 hour. And the charging box that contains the ear sets will charge them up to 5 times. As always, my unboxing and first impressions in the beginning of the videos. The instruction manual. Whoa. And here we are. Looks like a little dental floss. A braided micro USB cable, and a little carrying pouch. Okay, real quickly, to charge the headsets, you would have to charge this little dental floss through the micro USB and plug it into your computer or any other USB block. So technically, since this holds its own battery, it'll charge your headsets here. Dental floss open. Open the case here, and as soon as you take them out, they feel pretty solid. Actually has some good weight to it as well. I like knowing that. And they magnetize themselves. So now I'm just gonna grab them, get a little bit of a closer look. On the bottom, we have some little film. I'm gonna take that off, and that's gonna be the charge and conducting metal. So as soon as we put it in the case again, now that the blue plastic is off, it should be touching inside and charging as soon as they hit in there. But here we have it. I don't have any to compare side by side, but they look like clones of the AirPods. We can see the pinholes, what I would imagine is a microphone. We have the speakers facing inside the canal as well as on the side. This is how it looks from the top. And at the bottom we have the left and right telling you how to plug them in your ears correctly. Coming back to this case, it's also magnet, so as soon as it drops down, they should not be falling out. And they just slide in very easy. And the magnet goes. Spank it a little bit, hit the top, and they're not falling out, so you can see that they'll maintain itself inside. So now, turn one on by holding on the button. We'll get a green to a red flash. And I'm resulting to read the manual just so I know what's happening. So I'm reading here, if you pair one, the second one will pair itself, so you don't have to do both. Okay, and here's the multi-function key. Music, single click, play, pause. Click twice for the next song. Call, single click, answer, click again to hang off. Click for 3 seconds, rejects calls. Right earphone receive mobile Bluetooth signal, suggest putting mobile at right pocket. Okay, so that's pretty much all we need to know. Now, you grab your device and we're gonna look to pair. Okay, so we're gonna press and hold until you see red and green flashing. It's not blue this time. We're gonna pair it. It's the T7 connected, and it says the battery life is at 90%. Okay, let me readjust here. So now I'm going to turn on the second one. Okay, so I waited a few seconds and it is no longer flashing, so I'm going to guess that these are ready to put in my ear, and this is first time. They are in my ear. Are they uncomfortable? Not yet. They do stay in there. Let's go into some music. Now it's time to listen. Woo. So right now I'm listening to this song. Volume is full right now. That's pretty loud. I can't hear myself. I'm gonna hit it twice. Skip the song. Alright, that is definitely loud. Alright, so that's definitely loud. I'm gonna pause it here. One touch, and it pauses it. Do these look like AirPods? Are they gonna work and sound like them? Probably not. The only time I ever wore an AirPod was so long ago just to hear it because one of my cousins had it. But obviously here I can't compare them side by side. I don't really like in-ear headphones, but if you don't want the bulk that's sticking out and you want to work out with these, they might stay in your ear. I feel like they can stay in there. So the next thing I want to do is test out the calling feature. Let's hope he picks up. Ringing only in one ear, not this one. It's 1:40 p.m. He should be able to pick up. Hey, what you doing? You taking a dump? Nice, I caught you at the right time then. Talk to you real quick just to hear what you sound like on the phone, you know? While you're taking a dump, exactly. Do I sound fine? I sound like I'm sick? Oh, because I'm listening to a guy taking a dump. But how does it sound? You, like, if I were to talk to you, would you know that I'm talking to you on a headset? You okay? Good, because I'm just testing to see if these are good headphones to talk wirelessly. Because they look like AirPods. I don't know, they're called some weird name that I can't pronounce, but the T7. Yeah. So, what else are you doing for today?
I think we eat tea for later.
I'm gonna finish this video up and wrap it up. Sounds good. All right, thank you. Pressed it once, ended the call, and there we have it. I just made an official listening to beats. Sounded really loud. The bass was kind of there. It's not like lacking. I could always have it bassier. I'm a bass head. It's not the clearest where I feel like it needs a little bit more high end, but it's like in the middle for what these do compared to others that I've tested. These are really good. And once you're done, you can carry this in your pocket because it's gonna be small enough. Let me show you. I'm going to take them off and put them in this little spot here. Put it in my pocket. And there we go. I got my dental floss right into my pocket here. Put it in your bag or whatever. And this is going to be charging every time you put it in here. The only thing right now is that this does not have any charge. Just take a quick look at that. See what it's going to look like. There's a light indicator that it is charging. So if these run out of battery, one or both in there, whichever one ran out, and oh, you can see that these are lit, letting you know that they're charging. So there you guys have it. Up to you guys. If you want it for yourself, find it in the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Later.